and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing two different tablescapes for you guys. When I kind of polled you guys in the community on the type of Valentine's Day content you wanted to see, many of you wanted to see both the tablescape and me redecorating our living space. So that's what I'm going to do for you guys today. I know I've done them a million times, but so many of you are still inspired by them. So I wanted to make you guys happy this Valentine's Day since we're showering everyone with love. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to do two different looks. This first look is going to be very soft and almost monochromatic. And then the next look is going to be very fun. You could definitely do it if you were doing like a Valentine's or celebrating with your mom or your kids. So I definitely wanted this next look to be super duper fun. So without any further ado, let's hop right in. Okay, you guys, starters, I've already placed the tablecloth on, and so the next thing I'm going to do is put all of the chargers in place. I don't like for the chargers to be more than a thumb length away from the actual end of the table, and that is a very great tip that my friend Very Carey gave us years ago. And if you have not seen her channel, I highly recommend you guys to check it out. Now, one thing I almost always do, I don't know why I got excited, I like to put the centerpiece in place first. And the reason I like to do that is because you know, flowers and things like that won't drop all over the table. But in this case, these are the florals from Rose Forever, and I love because they will last for a very long time, at least a year, and I don't have to worry about like water and things like that dropping, but I do want to do it the correct way for those of you guys who are learning. So the next thing I'm going to do is place the candles on either side. I have a set of 3, and so I'm going to place the tallest and the medium one on the left, and then the shortest one on the right. And I just kind of like, you know, throwing things off a little bit with the design from, you know, the way things are typically done. Now, the next step that I want to take is that I'm going to add the salt and pepper shakers, and I'm going to put these, they're the bling ones. Let me show these to you. Can you see these? They are not showing up well at all. But I'm going to place them on either side of this candlestick. I'm going to place both of them on the same side. So I'll let you guys see that. And then next up, I am going to add the plates. Now, the plates that I got are these absolutely fabulous plates from the Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, they are so incredible. They are marble, and I love the fact that they are the actual stoneware. They're not the melamine. I have the melamine ones, but these are plates, and I absolutely love these. And I apologize for all the clacking in advance. I normally do a voiceover when I do tablescapes, but I kind of wanted to do this real time with you guys so that we could talk it through. Next up, I want to put all of my silverware out, and we're going to do like salad and everything today. So we're going to pull all the pieces, we're going to pull out all the stops. I love this beautiful flatware. It is by Robert Welch. I got it years ago when I used to travel in, I think I was in Arkansas. And I saw it, I fell in love with it, and I had to have it. It was just one of those things that I could not walk away from. So I absolutely love his pieces. So I'm gonna put them all in place here. And again, we're going to keep with that same theme of remaining at least a thumb length away. You just want to really avoid having your charger too far away from the edge of the table, and you don't want it right on the edge of the table where someone may accidentally hit it and knock it over. So that is so very important. So when I'm setting my forks out, I have a larger and a smaller one. The smaller one goes on the left, the far left of the left, and then the larger one goes on the right. And I'll give you guys a very up close look at this as we go. So there we go. Next up, I'm going to add my wine goblets. I absolutely love these. I get asked about them all the time. You can find them at Z Gallery, but lately you could also find them at like Ross and TJ Maxx. So you definitely don't have to spend a fortune for those. And speaking of the centerpiece from Rose Forever, they're giving a $20 discount now if you use my code Melanie20, and it's available off anything. It's no restrictions. Before they normally had some type of restriction with it, but now they don't. So that is an awesome thing. So we're going to get all those in place. And then finally, now that I have all that in place, I want to add my napkins. And for this fold, it's very simple. I'm going to take this napkin, and it's a crushed velvet, so it looks a little bit wrinkled. It's not wrinkled, it's crushed. And I'm going to fold it in half like such. And then I'm going to simply run my napkin ring through it like such. And then I'm going to wrap it around my plate like a bow. And when I do the other ones, I will bring you guys up close so you can actually see the entire process, because I like to kind of play with it and poof it out to make it look very feminine and dainty. So I like it to look that way. And that's not quite the look I was going for, so we'll try it again. You don't always get it right the first time, you guys, so don't beat yourself up. I do this a lot, but I still have to do it time and time and time again. Okay. So I folded it over twice, and then I'm going to tuck it under just like that. And it looks so good. That blush and the marble is just the most beautiful juxtaposition ever, especially if you're doing something that involves, I would love to do a marble and blush with. Okay, you guys, so far so good. Next up, we are going to add in our food elements, and I have this beautiful rhinestone tray that has the, I always mispronounce this, but Ghirardelli or Ghirardelli chocolate. And this one is a creme brulee, which is my absolutely favorite dessert. I'm going to place it on this side here very neatly. And on the opposite side, I bought those beautiful glass bowls from the Dollar Tree. They were the heart bowls, and I'm going to simply place them on this cake platter. So I'm going to place a cake platter here, and I have some pre-made salads ready in these heart-shaped bowls from the Dollar Tree. I'll show you guys what they look like. So these are the bowls, beautiful glass bowls, and I just think they're perfect for salad, and definitely something you could use beyond Valentine's Day. Again, you could use it for a wedding or Mother's Day or whatever the case may be. So okay, you guys, so now it is time for the fun and festive tablescape. I'm so super duper duper excited about it. First off, we're going to add some really cute festive straws. just to add to that little color. And then I'm going to add the cotton candy to each wine flute. I just thought this would be really cute for anyone, whether it was kids or adults or girlfriends or whatever. I just think it could be enjoyed by all. And I was able to do 4 glasses with the one container that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure you could do at least 6 to 8 glasses using that one container, but you just want to make sure that the mouth of the glass that you're putting it on is really small, like the size of a flute. So next up, we are going to do the charcuterie tray. As you can see, I had already started. I had placed the Oreos, the chocolate covered Oreos, in an X formation. I didn't go step by step on this tablescape with you guys because I'd already done that in a previous video. The only thing I did differently was that I added a few more layers, and that's about it. So for the festive Valentine's Day candy, I found it at TJ Maxx, Ross, and at Tuesday Morning, and I just thought it was really cute. Each bag was about anywhere from like $1.99 to $4.99, and to do this little tray probably cost me around $16. So I just thought it was a really cute little touch. Definitely something that the kids could enjoy, that the whole family could enjoy, especially with everyone, a lot of people working from home and going to school from home. It's just a nice little snack for everyone to be able to enjoy within the entire household. So now that that has been said, I'm going to share the finished product with you guys, and I hope that you all will enjoy. Okay, you guys, so this brings us to our home tour, which is our grand finale. I would love to know down in the comments below which aspect you guys love best. Was it the living room tour? Was it tablescape number 1, tablescape number 2, or the romantic date night tablescape, which was located on our coffee table? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!